Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the Rotho Paso. It's a dustbin with 40 liter of capacity and with a paddle and a lid function. It is made out of plastic, PP, and it's BPA free. In silver metallic, it is also available in blue, in cappuccino, in carbon metallic, in mild labeling red metallic, labeling hipster, cool white metallic, and silver hexagon. And we have a really good, comfortable dustbin here. It's plastic dustbin. It keeps odors at the bay. Waste bin with step function. Lid closed silently. And a stable stand due to the rubber feet. And we have a nice optic here. Waste bin made of high quality plastic in stainless steel look. No rusting. No dent through use. Separate inner ring conceals the bin liner on the outside. Then hygienic. It's really easy to clean of the waste bin and the lid. No escaping outdoors. No fingerprints. Thanks to the high quality plastic, BPA free waste bin. The dimensions of this waste bin are 35.3 to 29.5 to 67.6 centimeter. The waste bin capacity is 40 liters. It's also suitable as a simple waste bin. And the waste bin comes included the lid with the step function in stainless steel look, and it's made of plastic, and it's Swiss made. With the hygienic inner bin, which is easy to remove, and of course, easy to clean if it is necessary. And Swiss quality by Rotho. Rotho combine the continuity and stability of a family business with the innovative entrepreneurial spirit of its founder. In all that they do, they care equally about the people as customers and the environment and the economic health of the company itself. The corporate culture is shaped by the Swiss roots, as well as their global outlook. This is the basic of the success at home and abroad. Thanks to the world, Rotho is Swiss designed really nice plastic dustbins. You can attach a bag, as you can see, really fast and easy, and you can cover it with this cover halo ring, which is included if you like. You do not have to perform this, but it's better because then the ring will stay stable on the dustbin itself. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.